obviously a huge opportunity, right? It's obviously just a super important piece of infrastructure for not only like, traders and, TradFi people, but also just for the broader crypto ecosystem. Even if you care about decentralized apps and self-custody, which we care a ton about, exchanges are extremely important. Like Coinbase, to their credit, has probably onboarded more people to self-custody than the majority of decentralized apps, right? Because you have this really great opportunity to progressively onboard people into the industry, where they start with somewhere where they're really familiar and they end up somewhere where they learn about this incredible kind of vibrant on-chain ecosystem. And so we were really kind of, I don't know, looking at it from that point of view and thinking it was a really important problem. And, all the while, like a bunch of people just kept coming up to me and kept saying, Armani, you should do an exchange. Like I literally had like 5 different people who I admired and respected a bunch, that I won't name, basically tell me this. And what's nice about kind of Backpack and the wallets and the NFT community is that it's a really good distribution channel for doing this. Wallets they're not exactly exchanges. It's a very different business, at least from an operational point of view. Like I don't think most wallet teams can alone build an exchange, but from a UX point of view, it's pretty similar, right? You have a swapper, you have your wallet management, you send and receive tokens, you look at your transaction history, and so it was very natural to just, all right, let's just throw it into the app, and that was a really great place to start. And so, yeah, I'm rambling at this point, but I think that was a little bit of the genesis story.